Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. Just got my latest shipment from the Crate Club. Let's check it out. Alright, so here's your info from Crate Club. It's a quarterly box. Let's go through some of the gear here. So number one, we have some carabiners. These are locking carabiners from Southern Survival. Ironically, they look very similar to the ones I have my keychain on, which is cool. These are legitimate like climbing carabiners, as you can see with a little photo there. So 5,500 pounds approximately they're weighted for. So yeah, I mean, I use these for a keychain because I like to be able to take portions of my like different car keys and stuff off, and then I put the rest like on my car seat while I'm driving so that they're not banging me in the knee like swinging. But all that to say, having some solid locking carabiners for, you know, real life purposes is nice to have. So that's your first item. That's a set of 2 of those. Next up we have this little kit, which is the Rapto Razor Mano knife, and essentially you've got this blade right here that goes into this handle right here. And what you have is through this hole, you're gonna basically put a tube that you hold like this, and so you can actually, you know, gut out an animal, do your field dressing out there. It's a nice little kit, all set up like this. Kind of a cool logo as well. Now here's a look at the tube that goes through it. You can see it's got a screwdriver on the end. Here's the other end. So you're gonna slide this through like so. So that's what it looks like when you actually have the handle. Now the screwdriver that you saw, you're going to loosen up those 2 screws, put your blade in, and now you're doing this as you're doing your, you know, field dressing your animal from hunting. So that's our second item in the Crate Club. Now in addition to the blades for doing that field dressing, you're also going to get a saw blade as well, which can attach to that system as well. So obviously you're not going to be doing this with it, you're going to be sawing. But just on the back it says they're a must-have for all. They're a must-have for all outdoor enthusiasts, interchangeable for all Mano knife housings, whether the T-handle, fillet handle, or new Mano reacher. So they connect to a bunch of different things. Great for cutting out shooting lanes and tree stands, for blinds, removing horns or ribs when you're field dressing your game. So a lot of different uses for that. That's cool. If you guys follow my channel, you know that like I'm just not a huge hunter. It's just not where I spend most of my time, especially at this stage of my life with 2 little kids right now. I just don't have time for it. But using this out in the woods for various other tasks, it's kind of cool. So, and compact system, you know, you can basically slide this into a pack and then have that little handle system as well. So that goes with the Raptor system. All right, next up we have this, which is from Revolt Knives, and looks like kind of a compact fixed blade, EDC style blade. Reminds me of like the Gerber Ghost Strike series. Yeah, very similar. Take a look at that. So there's what it looks like in your carrying case. I was gonna call it in your sheath, and it looks like you can run that scout style, drawing the knife out. That's what it looks like. You got some serrations there. You also have, you know, I mean that's a serious piercing tip right there that you got. Now it's 440C for your steel, which is a decent steel. It's not S35EN, but you know it's a decent steel. You can also set this up, they say vertically, horizontally, and then also for neck carry as well. So that's another item in the Crate Club. Next up we have this, which is from Modern Spartan Systems. On the front it says the best firearm chemistry on the planet. Use our system to optimize your firearm performance. So it includes their accuracy oil, the carbon destroyer, the copper lead destroyer, and the crystal clear. Different chemistry, unmatched results. So let me just show you what's inside here. I don't want to dump all the little containers out, but you can see, let me see with the glare, yeah, you can see we got a bunch of different kind of bottles, and then you can attach the spray cap to it. Then we got this little thing of Spartan accuracy grease. So obviously for your firearm, to keep it clean and to keep you shooting accurately, Modern Spartan Systems. Here's your next item from Gerber, and this has been out for a while, and I'm trying to think if I ever had one of these. I may have gotten one and passed it on to a friend for him to use it, but this is the Short Stack AR tool. I'll get this out here. You got a bunch of instructions in here, and then this tool is for your AR platforms, and it's made to fit into your grip. So you got a bunch of tools built into the system, and it's made to fit into your grip. So obviously it's small enough you could just throw it into a range bag or something like that, but it's made to fit into your grip. That's why it's built so small. You can see I got some star bits. There's a Phillips driver on the back as well. Bolt carrier scraper. So now ironically, when I first reviewed this at SHOT Show, probably like 4 or 5 years ago, the guy who was doing the review for Gerber was an actual MMA fighter, and his hands were totally beat up, and so more people commented on his hands than they commented on the product. But basically the idea is super compact. It's with you at all times. You know, lots of different ways to work on your firearms. As bolt carrier scraper there. You've got your sight adjustment tool. See if you can see that as well. So cool little product to have with you. No multi-tool is as good as the standalone individual tool. But yeah, I'll be interested to see, you know, what your thoughts are on the short stack. That's what it's called, the short stack from Gerber. All right, let me lean in and show you this tiny little item. Looks like a piece of cordage with a couple, you know, pieces of something attached. So this is the GTFO wrist wrap plus AHK. So it's an escape and evasion tool. It's got a tungsten striker that breaks tempered glass easily. The AHK3 is compatible with high security handcuffs. The AHK3 is made with coated stainless steel. So it basically says these straps are made of elastic material and a tungsten striker bead. Designed by 4TAC5, this tool facilitates emergency vehicle egress via side or rear windows in confined spaces. To deploy, simply remove the wrist strap, place around thumb and forefinger, pull back and on the projectile and release. These wristbands give you the capability to break glass with minimal effort. So basically, it's gonna, I'll just show you real quick here. You're gonna use, I guess, this thing right here, pull back, and you can apparently break glass. So that's kind of an interesting concept. Throw it on your wrist, I guess, is where you're gonna wear it. So kind of a cool product. I'm gonna dig into that company a little bit more and find out about them. So that's another item in the Crate Club. Now the big item in this month's Crate Club is this right here, which is from Grossman Gear. This is the rigid molle panel, and this is ironic because I literally have one of these in my car and I'm just about to do the video today on that product. So I've got one of these set up in my car. I've got a Hyundai Veloster. It's a compact little car. You can get these in a variety of different sizes and stuff. So you've got this is the 12.25 by 21 rigid molle panel. You've got your straps here, and then you've got one that's going to go around your headrest here. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to attach, you know, the strap here around the headrest and then down at the bottom, and it's going to go around the lower part of your front seat. And then you can attach a ton of different gear to it. So if you check out Grossman Gear's website, you'll see, you know, they've got fire extinguishers, they got gloves, jackets, flares, all kinds of stuff like that. So that's the kind of basic concept. They've also included the rifle rack rubber clamps here, which is right there, and you can see it's made again for your AR platform, and you can see probably even through the plastic there, it's made to actually mount your weapon there. So it's on the back of your seat, your passenger seat usually is where most people set it up. Sorry, I got like a little brain clog there, but anyhow, these are super cool. I saw these years ago. Thought they were really neat. I've got mine set up in the car, and actually you can buy a cover for it so everything's not fully exposed. So I've got like a knife, I've got an extra sweatshirt, I've got my fire extinguisher, couple things for, you know, just emergencies outside of the car, connected to, you know, if I get a flat tire or something, flares, things like that. So yeah, you can put whatever you want on it. You can use various systems to attach the gear to it. I use some of the Night Eyes, basically the twist ties that Night Eyes makes. You can also get gear from Grossman. They're basically a very thin but very durable strap that you can connect your gear to the rigid molle panel. So that's really cool. Yeah, I think I've always thought these are cool. They're made in the USA. I think they're based in Louisiana. But this is kind of the biggest item. They're not super cheap, but they are a quality product. The rigid molle panel from Grossman Gear, and that's the final item in the Crate Club box. Well, it is a cold day in New Hampshire. You probably even saw some of the snow falling while I was shooting that video. But anyhow, let's hear your thoughts on this quarter's Crate Club. What do you like about it? What would you change? Let's get that discussion started down in the comment section. All right, guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.